Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Before we will proceed with the next steps, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and for simply checking the update you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'd like to update the system, so download the files which are connected with the update, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some unnecessary charges as the update files are quite large. Alright, so then after entering system and updates, we can enter software update, and your device will right now check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. As you can see, you will receive relevant information, and on the other hand, if your device will find the update, it will of course show you the information about it. It will show you the info, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and then apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.